Hi and welcome back. In this video we'll cook a whole chicken with fruits and vegetables in the ground. We didn't cook this way for quite some time, so let's see how it turns out. This is one of the oldest cooking techniques which is not so popular today because it has inconveniences like digging holes and the cooking process that takes hours. But there are positive sides too, like the deep flavor of the meat, fruits and vegetables. They simply have a more rounded flavor cooked this way. You can cook almost anything you can imagine and you will be rewarded with amazing results. Another positive side is that you don't have to always check or stir the food. You just cover it and let the heat do its magic. Now, digging a hole on a mountain or in the garden next to your house is not the same. Up here the vegetation has a thick hard layer which is a challenge to cut with a shovel, and the soil is full of rocks and roots. But we were determined to do the job. The good news is that we don't destroy this small patch of grass and the soil cooking in it. On the contrary, we make it even better by leaving the charcoal in the soil, which will give nutrients to the plants on the long run. While we heat up the charcoals, we prepare our ingredients. We start by rubbing the chicken with duck fat. You can use pig fat or any kind of oil you want. We cover the bird on all sides. We rub it with a basic mix of spices which consists of salt, ground pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika and oregano. We sprinkle on the chicken our spices and we rub them in. For the exact amount, check the description below. Last, we cover the meat with bacon because bacon makes everything better. We are ready, so we pack the meat along with the fruits and the vegetables in aluminium foil. If you put it directly on the hot charcoal, be sure to have a layer of fruit or vegetables with high water content, so the meat doesn't burn. We add some charcoals on top and we cover it with soil. We leave it for 2 hours, so we have plenty of time to check our surroundings. The drone crash made us realize that the 2 hours have passed, so we dig our dinner out of the ground and we leave it to rest for a few minutes. It was an amazing dinner, even if it was a bit late and the sun has set. We freeze to death, but it was worth it, because everything was cooked all the way through, and doing it this way, they retain all the moisture. In the end, you get an amazing juicy dinner which bursts of flavor. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. It is free, and it helps us a lot in the long run. Stay safe, and see you on the next one.